Panasonic LUMIX GH5M2, the only camera that live streams like Netflix but fits in your backpack?
Ever felt like your camera is secretly plotting against you the moment you hit record? Battery dies, overheating warning, focus hunting like it's drunk? Sound familiar? You are not crazy. Drop "ugh" in the comments if you've ever wanted to yeet your rig into the ocean mid-shoot.
Deadlines breathing down your neck, client on your back, and your camera starts crying at the 29-minute 59-second mark. Pure rage. Imagine if there was a way to finally take control without selling a kidney or carrying a cinema rig that needs its own seat on the plane. Keep watching, because there is.
Say hello to the Panasonic LUMIX GH5M2, the smug little hybrid that strolls into 2024 like it owns the place. Unlimited 4K 60p 422 10-bit internal, Vlog L pre-installed, yes, for free now, and wireless plus wired live streaming straight to YouTube without a capture card. One wedding filmmaker went from 3 overheating Sonys to a single GH5M2 and finished the reception with battery to spare. And the couple cried at the same-day teaser. The 6.5-stop Dual I.S is so stupidly good, you will film smooth walking shots while running from angry geese and it still looks cinematic. Oh, and it's splash-proof, dust-proof, freeze-proof down to -10 degrees Celsius. Basically, this camera wants you to abuse it. Here's the bonus trick pros use. Pair it with the 12 by 60mm Leica kit lens, and you have a run-and-gun monster that replaces 3 primes. Comment "trick" if you want that secret profile setting at the end.
This is not just a camera, it is pure efficiency crack. Pros are switching and never looking back because the GH5M2 does what full-frame still cannot. Unlimited recording without thermal shutdown, native RTMP streaming like a $3,000 broadcast cam, and color science so good that Netflix-approved DPs use it as a B cam. One YouTuber with 800,000 subs said, "I shot a 3-hour live masterclass, 0 crashes, 0 battery swaps, chat went wild over the quality." Wedding shooters are cackling because they finally get cinematic footage without a gimbal or a second shooter. Corporate teams are obsessed. Plug it in via USB-C power delivery and it streams all-day webinars like it is bored. Even Sony fanboys in the comments are quietly typing, "Okay, but that stabilization is insane." The autofocus now tracks eyes like it is personally offended by soft shots. Which feature would save your sanity tomorrow? Unlimited recording or buttery 180 frames per second slow motion? Comment your biggest pain below. Thousands of creators already ditched overheating nightmares for this tank. You still holding that hot potato? Stock is disappearing faster than batteries in a Sony on a hot day. Join the thousands of hybrid shooters who have already leveled up and never worry about record limit reached again. Click the link below right now. This Panasonic LUMIX GH5M2 kit with the Leica 12 by 60mm is waiting to make you look like a genius on your next gig. Do not just watch, jump in and transform your entire workflow today. Comment "I am in" if you are ready to yeet the overheating era forever. Go, now, do it!